Hey guys, we have a unboxing today. I'm in the backyard with the kids, and surprise came in. Um, I got this guy online, and it's a watch unboxing, as you know. So got my opener. So I'm gonna bring the camera down so you could take a closer look. But it's a beautiful day in the summer, just in the backyard with the kids. So like, spin the camera and we'll do an unboxing. Actually, you know what? I'll just bring it down here so you guys can see what we're working with. Trusty pocket knife, world's greatest dad. Here. Actually unboxed from the back, but the label is still there. It's unopened. I wasn't even looking for this watch. The beauty of this is that it's weird. It's like I did a Google search and this has not come up. Look, oh, it's my son holding my glass of wine. I'll put that over there. That's Daddy's wine. So in the box, yes, it is another Citizen watch. And I'm gonna show you guys real quick. My kids are out of control. I don't have a lot of time. I'm coming, baby. 1 second. Daddy's doing something for my friends on YouTube. So, Citizen box. And Daddy's doing something for his friends. And here it is. It is the, and the camera is blurry, of course. It is the 5700 caliber in the gold and brown strap. Now, this is not the original strap. So guys, sorry about that. My kids, I like tore up my little set that I did for the unboxing. But the watch is beautiful. It's pretty much brand new. The only thing is the seller put this strap on there. The original strap is not with the watch, which is fine because I have a bunch of straps planned for this watch. As well, I'm going to order the original watch strap for this watch, so it's no problem for me. The price I got for this is really good. So whatever price I pay for the Citizen strap, it's not going to be a big deal. So I realized once you get some of these watches, especially this one is about 15 years old, you find the chronograph is off-centered. So usually the chronograph is at the 12 o'clock marker, but here it's on this watch it's in a weird place. It's right over the date display window. I'm not even sure if that's the correct time. Actually, it is the correct time. It's 7:36, 7:37 about. So to reset the chronograph back to 0. On a watch like this, the caliber 5700, you're gonna pull the crown out all the way, like if you're setting the time. See there? So that's like time set position, and you're gonna hold the upper pusher down for I think about 10 seconds. Just hold that down like that, and let go, and then you could proceed to set the chronograph. So you're gonna keep pushing it down until that gets back to 0. So that's the blue second hand that you see moving there. That's for the second hand for the chronograph, and not the main second hand for the timekeeping. So I'm going to put it back to the center. Once that's set, I'm going to push this crown back in. See, the time is hackable, so the seconds for the actual timekeeping stops. Now it resumes when the crown is pushed back in. It's not a screw down crown, it's a regular crown. And that's how it looks on my wrist. I have a 7-inch wrist, as you guys know, with the strap. I don't like the strap. So let's check our chronograph. Should be fine now. And there you go. It is a ticking chronograph. It's not a sweeping chronograph. Some of the current Citizen calibers, like the E210, which is the caliber 2100, and the atomic caliber watches have a sweeping chronograph, which is sort of a high, fast-paced sweeping chronograph seconds for the timekeeping. For the chronograph timekeeping. So I'm going to stop that. I could also restart it with the pusher there at the top. But on this, I'm going to stop and I'm going to reset it back to 0. Now I did a review on the black dial that I have on this watch, and I'm going to do one on the gold one. It's pretty much the same function as the black dial, which I have here. So I did the review on this one, as you guys remember. They're identical watches. I'm going to take it off my wrist real quick. There, so you get a sense of them side by side. Appearance wise, they're pretty much the same. This is the gold, so it's a little bit more elegant, but design wise, everything looks the same. It has that 3D effect inside the dial, and this is a tonneau shape, which I really love the tonneau shape. New to the tonneau shape, but I'm gonna be a fan now for forever, because it's how simple it is to wear with business attire as well as casual attire. It looks really good, the shape of this watch. So that's the two, and these are extremely rare watches. They're about 15 years old, and I was lucky to find this one. I wasn't looking for this one when it came up. So it's just, and prices on these are really, really good on eBay or online. Really good. I think it's a great value for what you pay for in the watch quality that you get. In the back that says caliber 5700. So the back cases are pretty much identical. So you get to see the back case there, some of the markings. And yeah, like I said, I don't like this strap. It's very generic, it's very cheap. So I'm gonna get a proper strap for it. Maybe even the original strap like I have on this watch. As you see there, it goes right to the edge of the case. On this one, there's a gap, which I don't like. I don't like the gap. So that's it, guys. That's my unboxing kind of presentation of the caliber 5700 in the gold version. I forgot, I think the model number is the AT1012 on this one. But I want to do a measurement, but I probably can't. But that's how the watch looks.
And hi in my video picture.
Yeah, thank you, Amelia. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. That's the 5700 unboxed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Dylan, don't play with that. That's Daddy's wine.